just said 24 Celsius and disappeared as soon as I moved a wire. So I'm trying to hold the web camera with my teeth while I try to hold it with my left hand and then move the wires to try to get it to do it again with my right hand. So hold on. That guy is in fact the thermistor. So I figured that one out. And I just had it on. I got it to work for a second and then it disappeared. So I have to imagine that there is a loose wire. I could try to run the code again, but it's a matter of catching it while it's wired. The wires have gotten so loose, I have to just... The other problem is it's so bright, so it's hard for the camera to see. I'm actually on my second potentiometer. I ended up unplugging the other one. And even with this one, I'm struggling to keep it in the board. So, I had it working for a second, but there's definitely a loose connection. So, my best bet is to say, okay, so plausibly it worked, and there's a loose connection. And I should have had it just filming as I went because I only got it that one time. So I'm going to move on